The one thing that COVID-19 teach me is that you got to fend for yourself. Fresh vegetables get scarce, but we didn't need them, so what you could do? Beijing's got sense though, so enough people start to grow their own food in the backyard. When I know Sandy Pitt as one of Barbados' top news photographers and a social media influencer, but I bet you didn't know she's a piece of farmer too. She went all the way to St. Philip to learn a thing or two from Batson.
Morning.
Follow me as we follow them on this little adventure.
Nice to meet you.
My name is Sandy Pitt.
And I'm
nice
Kyle.
to meet you.
Nice to meet
So Kyle, what's this? This is a fish pond?
you. Nah, this is actually a pool, but this is the beginning of my aquaponics project, you know?
Oh, so what's the difference between the aquaponics and the hydro?
Right, so aquaponics is using the fish and the whole system using the fish and the feces from the fish to fertilize the plants, but hydroponics is just using chemicals in the water to...
Got it. Yeah, nice. Okay, nice, yeah. Because I love fish, okay?
Yeah.
I have fish at home. So...
Right, so these here are some normal cabbages. As you can see, I planted them too close. I wasn't too sure how big they would get, but they're getting huge now.
So it's beautiful,
And
oh my God.
in the middle is where the head will come up.
yeah.
And you just cut the head, and then next year you'll get another head.
Kyle, tell me a bit about how you started, how you started it, and how to set it up. Because with the whole COVID now, everybody more into farming and agriculture. So, just tell me a bit.
So honestly, I started before COVID. It was actually my mother who got me into it. I went to study agricultural science at BCC, but I actually got into the computer science. But really, Sandy, starting is the hardest part.
Yeah.
It's just all about experimenting and learning was gonna grow and was not gonna grow. And yeah, so here I actually have a PVC pipe. If you don't got space, you ain't got no excuse still. I got a PVC pipe that I just put two elbows on, and I can fill it with dirt, and I can plant my lettuce in this. It's as simple as that. Also, we have behind here a little tray that I set up with some galvanized at the bottom and 2x4 surrounding it to put some dirt in it to hold the plants. If you don't got that, if you like me and I living in a concrete house on the roof is flat, I'm moving it to the roof just now. I putting plants all up there. If you don't got any dirt, if you're planting in containers, go and get a bag of soil mix, get some pots, and make a start.
Experiment.
Yep.
So you ever find that you planted some stuff and they didn't really come out as expected or didn't grow?
Yeah, many times.
Oh, many times.
So even with the shade, because the top of the building wasn't up yet, so back here used to get a lot of sunlight, and the plants used to grow great behind here. But now, with all the banana trees and stuff, even if you look here, the plants aren't growing as good, like the Chinese cabbage you can see.
So the mixture of sunlight and water that they need at certain times.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
Even from fertilizer, how we're doing it with the compost, the natural way.
Yeah.
I do some research, and I learned that plants, just like humans, they need the nutrients, they need the nitrogen, the phosphorus, the potassium. So then you do the research and you see which I think the banana peel is high in potassium, I think. I could be wrong, but it's all about learning and researching.
Yeah. So Kyle, you're going to come by my house and help me do my setup, right?
Oh yeah, it's all about spreading the knowledge.
Right. So you're going to tell me what to get, and I want you to show me how to do. We start with dill, rosemary, chives, and sweet basil. My favorite.
Actually, I got the lemon rosemary here.
Yeah, so you're going to show me
that
too?
This is for you to start, and this is for you.
Oh, this is for me?
Oh yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. Wow. It smells so good. Yeah, and lemongrass too, guys. Lemongrass is really, really good for you.
That is what we're talking about. We can be back here next week to see Kyle help Sandy set up her little kitchen garden. Send me pictures or videos of your own backyard garden, and so we can share them too.